Decisions that are driven by data. The way trust is to the house, so why is your outreach built on uncertainty? When you have an outdated contact list, or the information is not related to your contacts, it is not building relations, it is just guessing. Guessing is what you lose deals on when you are in such a fast-paced environment. Database providers is the solution for you. We offer you verified, precision-built contact data designed specifically for data and analytics companies. We connect you with the people who are involved in changing raw data into actionable insights. No more mismatched communication. Zero irrelevant contacts. Step on faster with intelligent data filled with intent signals and account-based marketing strategies. With more than 400 industries on the list, including but not limited to fintech, cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure, and emerging tech. The datasets we provide are the best choice for growth, not only for startups and scale-ups but also for global data analytics leaders. We power their growth with our datasets. Don't waste time chasing unqualified leads. Ask for a sample database customized for your business. How? Email us at sales@thedatabaseproviders.com.